Today we're making candy caramel apples. And this is gonna be fun. So what we got here, we got Granny Smith apples. The sweet really tastes good with the sour. Today we're gonna be dipping the apples in, we have caramel. We're gonna dip these in caramel. Everyone has a story where they just barfed eating these things. We're gonna use mini M&Ms and we're gonna use pretzel because sweet and salty is the best. And we are also gonna decorate it with melted down milk chocolate, and we're also gonna use white chocolate. So first, for the apples, you're gonna need some dowels, something to stick those babies with. To melt this down, we're going to start boiling some water. Once that boils, we are going to melt down the caramel just like that. I just turned it on high to get it going, but I'm gonna turn it down to like medium heat. And I think that should start the process still pretty quick. And we're just gotta wait for that because we don't have a microwave in this house. Flip your apples over and somehow get them in there. What's your favorite Halloween candy? Mine? Definitely not those little orange pylons. What do you even call those? Oh, candy corn. Ew, candy corn's gross. I'm just gonna add a little cream in. 2 tablespoons of cream, just to get it a little gooier, not as thick. So it's finally melted. It took about half of my life to melt this, but we're almost there. And we're gonna give this a go. This might get a little messy here, but that's okay. Now, will we be able to complete 4 apples with this? We're going to try. Holy f***, that's hot. Pass me that spoon. Oh my God, holy crap. I've never done this before. It's the first time, but it won't be the last. Next one. Holy moly. Okay, we've done 2. If you had a fondue set, definitely would be easier to do this. So now we're gonna sauce these in the fridge for about 10 minutes. Then we're gonna take them out and we're gonna continue decorating them. So I picked these chips because they're really easy to melt down and they're decadent. Literally what they're called is decadent. We're gonna use the same method. I'm gonna double dip these babies. Perfect. That's a candy apple. Look at that.
Fucking layer.
That is like out of this world. Look at that. We still have one more layer to go on. Okay, so we are going to throw them in the freezer, freeze them quick, ow! And we're going to melt down our chocolate, our white chocolate drizzle. So what is this missing? What could this possibly be missing? Needs a little bit of white swirly swirl. Gourmet candy apples, it's almost there. We're at about 88% capacity for deliciousness. We gotta go that full hundo. Nice and chilled, but it's missing something, isn't it? That decorative flair. We actually wanted to do white chocolate, but white chocolate doesn't melt very well at all.
You think it's working? It's definitely a little funky.
Pissed. So I really advise if you do this, these are called candy melts. They're like candy wafers, and they're perfect for decorative stuff. Candy melts, that's what we're using, fellas. So we're gonna melt them down. That's what I was looking for. That's just melting great. The main ingredient is sugar and modified and hydrogenated oil. So that's good. So those decorative baking icing dispensers, they were about, for a pack of 24, we're looking at like 15 to 20 bucks. So that's not gonna fly. So we're gonna use great value for our icing dispenser. Yeah, baby. That's gourmet. Pretty good?
Delicious.
Yeah. I'm pretty impressed with this. If you like the video, hit subscribe. Stay tuned for another episode of fun, fantastic flavors. It tastes pretty good.